Every time I go through the body scanner, I would be asked to stand to the side. And I would look at them and say, yep, I know the drill. Hey guys, I'm Crystal Amanda and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing 12 TSA mistakes to avoid when flying, because we all know how much we love the security screening process. So without further ado, let's get started. Numero uno, have your ID or passport with your boarding pass in hand ready before you reach the TSA agent to scan them. When you reach the agent, you should not be digging through your bag or your purse looking for your passport and boarding pass to pull out to hand to them. Before you enter the security line, there are agents standing there checking to make sure you have these documents out and ready. So these need to remain in your hand until the agent scans them. Number two, pack your luggage using packing cubes or compression bags. It's more organized, and in case your luggage gets selected for secondary inspection, it's easier for the TSA agent to inspect it without disorganizing your things. Number three, don't bring gift wrap presents. If traveling with gifts or presents, pack them unwrapped. If not, TSA will have to unwrap them to examine what it is underneath the wrapping paper. And I get it. It could be something crazy like a bomb or something just as dangerous. So to play it safe, I strongly encourage online shopping. Order the gifts online and have them shipped to the recipient. But if you still insist on traveling with gifts, wait and wrap the gifts when you reach your destination. Number four, unpack all electronics. Take out your laptop, your Kindle, your tablet. If you carry an electronics bag that keeps all your adapters and cords organized. Surprisingly, some airports don't even ask you to do this. So please listen to the instructions and announcements from the TSA agents. Number five, wear easy on and off shoes and empty all pockets. If wearing slides or slip-on sandals, be sure to pack socks to put on before walking on the airport floor. Also, fully empty your pockets, not just your wallet, keys, or phone, but any gum, mints, tissue, etc. And if you're wearing a metal buckle belt or anything with metal, you'll have to take that off too. So if you can, try not to wear anything with metal hardware. Number six, if you have a paper copy of your boarding pass, you are allowed to hold it in your hand with either your ID or passport when going through the body scanner. However, if you have a mobile boarding pass, you'll have to put your phone in the bin before going through the scanner. Number seven, now this really isn't a TSA do or don't, but if you have thick, long hair or locks like myself, the body scanner will detect a dense object because it doesn't know what it is. So TSA will check your hair. They just need to make sure you're not concealing something inside or underneath. I get stopped every time I fly. That's why I don't wear head wraps to the airport, because I know I'm gonna get stopped and checked for my locks. Every time I go through the body scanner, I would be asked to stand to the side, and I would look at them and say, yep, I know the drill. In my experience, they either would pat my hair down like this, or they would ask me to move my hair to the side or lift my hair up. Number eight, if you want to bring a pocket knife, it must be packed in a checked bag. You are not allowed to pack a pocket knife in your carry-on luggage or personal bag. If you do, for the safety of everyone in the airport, TSA will confiscate it. Number nine, don't bring water to security because water is not allowed through security. You can either drink the water before you go through security, or you'll have to toss it in the trash. So bring an empty water bottle with you so that you can fill it at a water refill station once you've gone through security. Now these next two TSA do's and don'ts are also listed in my Watch This Before You Fly video. So if you haven't seen it, please go check it out. The link is also listed in my description below. Number 10, follow the TSA 311 rule. The 311 rule is that all liquids, gels, creams must fit in a 3.4 ounce or less size container or bottle, must fit in one TSA size approved toiletry bag per one passenger. But there are some exceptions, like breast milk, cream or liquid medications, and hand sanitizer. These can be more than 3.4 ounces. Number 11, if bringing food from home, it cannot be liquids like soups, and it must be packed in transparent containers or bags, like large Ziploc bags or clear zip pouches. Also note that anything spreadable, like peanut butter, cream cheese, yogurt, are all considered liquids. So if you're bringing anything spreadable, it must be packed in a 3.4 ounce or less size container. Number 12, last but not least, ooh child, this one gets under my skin. Pick up your empty bins after it has gone through the conveyor belt and stack them. Pick up, stack. Pick up, stack. It's courtesy and less congestion for your fellow travelers who are coming through behind you. Plus, it helps you with the final check to make sure you didn't forget anything, like your phone, AirPods, even passport. You'd be surprised of how many things are left behind in those bins. So please help yourself and your fellow travelers. For the full list of items that are allowed in carry-on bags versus checked bags, download the My TSA app. I've also included the My TSA link in the description below, and it will bring you straight to the list. Comment down below and let me know if you had any TSA horror stories. Was anything ever confiscated from your luggage? Did you toss out anything, or did you go back to the counter and check in your luggage? Did you ever get yelled at by a TSA agent? Spill the tea. Well, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my last video, Watch This Before You Fly, please go check it out. And I've also listed the link in my description. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Provocation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.